So excited to report our global colours pouring medium called Keep It Simple, or KISS for short, is now out and giving fantastic results with all kinds of acrylic fluid art painting. So we do have videos out separately for the mixing of these with your global colours, but they do the whole array of different techniques, absolutely beautiful. So currently I am going to do a flip cup pour, so using the global colours, just two to start with, the bronze and white, and then we'll be doing some extra special things with these, as this pouring medium really is a game changer. Without the use of any silicone or Floetrol, you can create cells, or if you don't want cells, you can, absolutely create all the different techniques with this pouring medium. It is a truly gorgeous product and I love it.
How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes.